Hi, hello. Am I audible? Hello. 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 ये खोल के बैठी। Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, what's your name?
Sanchit.
Sorry?
Sanchit.
Sanchit. Okay. So, hi, Sanchit.
Hello, ma'am.
My name is Aksa. You are from which school? You are from which school?
Ramjas.
Ramjas, the CP one?
No, ma'am.
Which
Ramjas
branch?
School, Anand Parvat.
Okay, Anand Parvat. Okay, so how is your studies going? You want to study English from me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have a book right now?
Yes.
Uh, Do you know any of the chapter currently?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you read any chapter? The chapter which
Yes.
is going in school or any other chapter you are familiar with? Please tell me the name of the chapter.
The listeners.
Sorry.
The
Hello.
listeners.
Okay, the listeners. You can tell me brief about the chapter or I I can start with the explanation of the chapter. How would you like to go with the demo class?
Explanation.
With explanation. You are comfortable with explanations plus notes or only explanation?
Explanation.
Okay. Open your book. I'm about to start.
Okay, ma'am.
Could you please tell me the chapter number? Hello? Hello? Hello,
Ma'am,
are you there?
it's a poem.
Chapter number?
Ma'am, it's a poem.
Yeah, I know, but it is after which chapter? That's what I'm asking. Hello?
Ma'am, 6.
Are you talking about the garden snake?
No, ma'am.
Sorry, but I am not getting your chapter even. Shall I start the demo of class chapter 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm starting with the chapter 1. I hope that's okay with you. So in chapter 1, there are three questions. Who is seeking to find the answer of the three questions basically he is asking because he want to ensure the success. What is the right time to begin something and which people should he listen to? That's why this is your first chapter, so that you can know the real meaning of the success and you can see that how this answer can change your life. So in this story, the king basically talks about the king's dilemma. A king is believing the success that can be achieved by knowing the right answers to the three questions. He seeks advice from the wise man, but their conflicting answers leave him unsatisfied. After that, the king goes to the hermit who lives in the simple life to
Ma'am.
find the answers. Hello?
मैम मैम
Yes.
मेरी बुक में लिविंग ड्रीम्स है.
Could you please share the picture of the book?
Okay, ma'am.
because I think I am having the another book. Please share it in the chat box. Not able to see the name of the book and writer. Please skip the drawing. Just focus on the name of the book and the writer, or just read it out. Read it out.
Raintree Literature. Raintree English course book.
Okay. And what is the first chapter's name?
Living Dreams.
Okay. Just a second. Okay. So basically, Living Dreams is a motivational chapter which talks about achieving your goals through the hard work and perseverance. Okay. It emphasizes that dreams are not just about fantasies. Suppose we think that हम ये अचीव करना चाहते हैं, हम बड़े बड़े सपने तो देखते हैं लेकिन हम उसे फुलफिल करने के लिए कुछ एफर्ट्स नहीं डालते हैं, उस पे एम्फेसाइज नहीं करते हैं. वी हैव बिग फैंटेसीज बट वी आर नॉट रियलाइजिंग इट दैट हाउ कैन वी focus on it. So this chapter basically speaks about the achieving your goals through hard work and perseverance. It emphasizes that dreams are not just about the fantasies but can be realized by anyone who believes in themselves. जो भी अपने आप में मतलब अपने ऊपर भरोसा रखेगा, वो अपने ड्रीम्स के ऊपर अच्छे से काम करेगा, हार्ड वर्क करेगा, तभी वो अपने ड्रीम्स को अचीव कर सकता है. एंड बेसिकली ही और शी डज नॉट गिव अप डिस्पाइट मेनी चैलेंजेस. जब भी हम कोई ड्रीम देखते हैं तो उसमें बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस आते हैं. सपोज अगर आप कोई ड्रीम देख रहे हो, आपका कोई ड्रीम होगा बड़े होके कुछ बनने का, क्या है वैसे?
मैम बिजनेसमैन.
बिजनेस का. तो आप बिजनेस का आप अभी देख रहे हो, जैसे कितने सारे बहुत सारे यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बन रहे हैं. आपने देखा होगा शार्क टैंक में देयर वाज अ 17 ईयर ओल्ड चाइल्ड जो एंटरप्रेन्योर बन रहा है, अभी से उसके पास बिजनेस आइडियाज आ रहे हैं. तो हम ये देखते हैं कि वो हार्ड वर्क करके ही उस स्टेज तक पहुंचा है. तो बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है कि हम किस तरह से हार्ड वर्क करें अपने गोल्स को अचीव करने के लिए. आई होप इट्स क्लियर टिल नाउ. एनी डाउट?
नो मैम.
Okay, so this chapter basically uses the stories and the examples to illustrate that success depends on the determination and efforts, not just talent. Suppose अगर आपके पास talent है, लेकिन आप उस talent को रोज utilize नहीं कर रहे हो, उस talent को बस waste कर रहे हो, तो कोई point of view ही नहीं है. उस talent को और better बनाने के लिए तुम effort करो, determination